I think that you have all the potential in the world to build a full-time income with affiliate marketing. And hear me out, because I have an awesome story about how I started with pretty much making no money online to where I'm at today, making over $10,000 a month fully passively, and now deciding whether I want to go to Thailand for the entire winter or to Dubai. Drop in the comments which you think I should go check out first. But I want to start it out with a story about how it all began for me. I was freshly out of college, about to go sign my life away to 40 or 50 years in a career field that I wasn't 100% certain that I wanted to be in for my entire life, which was broadcast news journalism. So I was really at a crossroads on whether I wanted to do the career path and what my parents and what school and society told me I should do, or kind of rebel away and branch out in my own direction, doing what I wanted to as a content creator. So I decided to hop into YouTube and find ways to make money online. I knew if I was making online income, there would be a way for me to have enough time freedom to just live the life that I wanted while making passive income online, and that's just what I ended up doing. So I searched through YouTube and found all these different ways to make money online, social media marketing, the stock market, just all these different crazy ways. But it wasn't until I found Amazon FBA that I was like, holy crap, this is awesome. I'm able to make money from home. I don't have to talk to any customers. I'm actually building my own business, not someone else's. And it's a super reputable business because I'm building it on the back of Amazon, one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world that everyone already knows and loves. So as long as I can get a product on Amazon, I thought, I'll be able to get in front of customers and start making sales. And the most inspiring part about this business was I was able to buy product in bulk and ship it into Amazon, where then Amazon would ship it out to the customers for me. So I didn't even have to store the inventory at my house. And when I used a product research tool called Helium 10, which shows every product's analytics and how many sales a month they're making, I started seeing all these random products making hundreds of thousands of dollars and even millions of dollars in some cases per month with just one product. And that's when I knew, okay, I need to figure this out. So as I started watching more and more videos on how to sell on Amazon, I started seeing different courses and people offering their programs and services that would help people learn how to sell on Amazon. Now, I had never bought some random YouTube guy's Amazon course before, but I thought if I was going in this direction of being a solo entrepreneur, I might as well start with something totally out of the box. And that's exactly what I did. But as I was watching these different YouTube videos, I started seeing people actually doing course review videos of the courses that they took. So I would see, hey, which is the best course that I can get into? And I noticed one thing in particular, they were all affiliate marketing the course. And what affiliate marketing is just referring someone to a product or service. And if that person buys that product or service, then the person who would refer them to that would make an affiliate commission and earn money on the product or service that they didn't even have to create. They just had to send a referral over to that product so someone would buy it. And that's what I learned, that all these people doing these course reviews were actually making hundreds and hundreds of dollars for every single sale they would make of these courses. And then I thought, maybe I can learn Amazon FBA and start affiliate marketing a course at the same time. And that is exactly what I did. I took an Amazon course, so I was building my knowledge with the certain business model I wanted to learn. And keep in mind, you can do this with anything. If you want to get into stock trading and you want to actually learn it in depth and pay money for someone's course, you can take the course, and most courses offer an affiliate service. So you can learn the subject that you're trying to learn and make money passively with a YouTube video, maybe reviewing that course and having people buy it from the link that you're putting in your video description. And when I saw the videos people were making for these course reviews, it was just as simple as turning their camera on, talking about it, and uploading it. They weren't doing any fancy edits or anything like that. So that made me comfortable and confident knowing that I can simply turn my camera on and just make a simple course review video. Well, to my astonishment, I literally woke up the next morning with 2 sales after I made one course review video. So I made $200 in my sleep passively online before I had even sold a product on Amazon. So I was starting to learn how to affiliate market and talk about my journey with Amazon selling while still promoting an Amazon course at the same time in each of my videos. And I ended up making almost 100 sales of someone else's course while I was still taking that course and learning the business model at the same time. So I hope you're following along with me so far. And if you are, smash the thumbs up button so I know that you are understanding everything I'm saying and you're really interested in starting to do this yourself. This is so much better than just building out one stream of income. Everyone thinks if I'm starting to sell on Amazon, that's all I need to focus on. Well, there's so many different little sectors that you can make extra money with. Not only will you start earning YouTube ad revenue, not only will you make hundreds of dollars with every affiliate commission that you make of a course that you're promoting, but you can even make commissions on product research software. So for my product research videos, I'm gonna show you how to find awesome products to sell on Amazon, but I'm also gonna plug a special affiliate link to the product research software that we're using in the tutorial video. Now, I've branched out into different niches like cryptocurrency, and I've made over $40,000 with just one video for people signing up to a VPN, which masks your computer's IP address. And it's really handy in case you really care about protecting your anonymity online and you're getting into things like cryptocurrency. So I had so many signups, all from one video on a tutorial on how to buy crypto on Binance. And this is all probably way over a lot of people's heads with the terminology I'm going to be using with those crypto videos, but it was something I was interested in and it made a whole lot of money. I really suggest finding a business model that you want to get into and then seeing what products or services are out there that you can start affiliate marketing. And if you really are interested in Amazon FBA, I would just suggest going down, purchasing my Amazon course, which is a really small price to pay, and you can pay it off with just 5 affiliate sales. And that's actually what pushed me over the edge to buying my first course. I thought I can at least make 5 sales, get $100 per every affiliate commission, and that'll pay for my whole course. So that's what strived me to start making videos. I wanted to pay off the course with affiliate income and learn Amazon at the same time. I'll set you up as an affiliate so that you can just make your own course review video as you're learning the Amazon FBA business model, which I'll even be able to help you with. I'm still at a stage where I'm small enough to help each of you guys out individually. I don't have a special call team or anything like that. It's me that you're gonna get to talk to personally after you finish all my Amazon course videos, and you're gonna learn the business and you'll be able to start affiliate marketing. And I just had one of my students do it. He took my course, didn't even have to ask me one question. That's how thorough I made the course. And then he sold out of his product within 1 month, making almost $10,000 in revenue. Now he's ordering 1,500 more units. And he said, man, I showed my friends this and they all want to learn it. Do you have an affiliate link I can give them for the course? And I gave him my link, and then he's starting to make all these different affiliate commissions and signups. I'm paying him $100 every time someone signs up. And because he's successful, everyone wants to see how he got there. So now they're buying my course. So you see how it all works in tandem, and you're building multiple streams of income within the same niche. That's how I got started making money for myself and building the financial freedom that's now allowing me to literally go book a flight right now to wherever I want in the world. And I was even one of the top affiliates for Helium 10, enough to earn a $3,000 shopping spree. And that's what I'm spending to go travel the world now. I'm not gonna spend it on fancy things. I'm literally buying an Airbnb for a month, a plane ticket, and an awesome drone. And that's it. So I hope this video inspired you. Feel free to reach out to me, but really, there's nothing holding you back right now but yourself. You have to get off the fence. I know so many people that are stuck thinking, I don't have enough money, I don't have enough time. You have to fight against things that are comfortable and be uncomfortable and just feel weird. And if you're starting to feel weird about it, you know you're on the right track, doing something new out of your comfort zone, and that's when you start to see the real growth. Okay? Thanks so much. I hope this hit home with you, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.